like just do step by step.
Yeah, we'll start. Introduce yourself and what we're doing.
I'm Jamie. This is Jackass.
Hey!
And we're going to be planting this cacti.
Yep.
Yep, it's just a cactus, not anything else. So first you get your pot, make sure it has a hole in the bottom so the water can come out, and you take a rock that you stole from your neighbor's yard, make sure it's kind of big enough to cover the hole.
Wait. What do the neighbors have as a pet?
Well, not from the three-legged cat's yard, that one over there.
Oh, my bad.
Plus the cat can, pee somewhere else. So you take a rock to cover the thing.
Use your words.
You take a rock so it can cover the hole, but like not completely covered, just so all the water and the dirt doesn't go straight out. And then you get your cactus soil, and you just kind of fill it up about halfway. Or how much, because you want us to be level. So you fill it up, see where the bottom of the little thing is, and you fill the dirt up to there. Need a little bit more. Going right in there.
So why are we doing this today?
Because Anna Catherine enabled me, and I have no self-control. And look, I already got stuck.
How many plants did we buy today?
3.
And 1 giant pot that we are not using.
Just how it is sometimes.
Whoa there, what you doing with that knife, buddy?
I'm cutting open the little side thing so we can get the little plant and its roots out. Intact.
Perfect.
I'm tacking up. Chop it open. There we go.
Yay!
And you just kind of get it out of there somehow. Get that soil in there too, because why not?
What are you doing now?
You gotta loosen up the roots a little bit so it can, grow out. And you put the plant in there, and you fill up the space around it with more potting soil. Yeah!
Woo! Potting soil.
Tap it down so all the soil is nice and compressed, and you add more on top of it.
Sounds right. And how long does this process usually take in total?
Like maybe 10 minutes or less per plant if you kind of have an idea what you're doing. Or you're just really dumb and you don't care, which is what I am.
What?
So it's a short process. And then, once you got all your soil in and packed up in your plant, you give it a nice thorough watering till water starts coming out the bottom, so you know it's really soaked through and through.
Nice. Wait, gotta zoom in on this. And be careful not to water the actual plant, or is it okay if the actual plant gets splashed?
I mean, I don't think it really cares.
Got enough water in there yet?
That should be enough. There we go.
Is it dripping?
Yep, there we go. Should be dripping now.
Did we do something wrong?
I might have fucked up the rock at the bottom, but it shouldn't be too bad. Then you take your aesthetic rocky things, or some rocks, some more rocks that you stole from your neighbor's yard. You know, either works. And you just cover the soil that's wet so it doesn't all immediately evaporate.
Aesthetically pleasing rocks. Don't forget the other side. There you go.
Nice.
Ta-da!
Yeah, just kind of tap them in. And be aware that if you buy pretty rocks and you leave them out in the sun, they're gonna kind of get faded and a little ugly. But you know what? Who cares? As long as your plant's happy.
If the plant's happy,
Then we're happy.
yay!
And that's how you plant shit.